Let's take a look at the chart action for COTI. Alright, so in my last video, we were looking at this chart and I was saying how we had a double top right here. And if we break this bottom support line going to the downside, then that confirms it. So let's do some trend lines. We have a top trend line like this, and then we have a bottom maybe somewhere around here. This is kind of like an M pattern, you can kind of think of it, or upside down W. So we broke this going to the downside. Now what we'll do is target from the top to the bottom of this little channel or M or double top, and we'll we'll drag this to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of approximately 0.303, and that's pretty much where I have a limit order. It lines up with this previous support right here. The other thing we can do is we have a trend like this. We have a trend line going to the upside, or should I say an uptrend, and we broke that uptrend going to the downside. What I like to do when we break those trends is do a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top. It looks like we're getting close to the 50% level now. I like watching basically all these levels on the way down. So it looks like we're coming up to the 50% right now. This is sitting at around 0.393. But what I'm looking at, like I said, is around this one, the 61% level. This is sitting around 3.322. So yeah, somewhere in this area approximately. You're going to want to look at it on your own chart and kind of see what you come up with. Maybe 0.31 or 308, something like that. The other thing we could look at is we have resistance, resistance, resistance. Let's do another downtrend going to the downside like this. Let's actually delete everything and let's kind of focus on this. We have a downtrend going to the downside until we break this downtrend going to the upside. Then I'm going to assume that that's going to give us some problems and it's going to keep pushing us down. In general though, if we could break this uptrend going to the upside, then that will be our bullish signal. Like I was saying, we were at our all-time highs, and I would have liked to see a cool off. That I was wanting to see a cool off, and this looks like a nice little level of support. I'm kind of looking at this area, 0.31, somewhere around there. Let me know if you guys agree or disagree. If you guys like the video, hit that thumbs up button.